Hello, friends. This is the first day of our nursery mela, 26th of January. We're just getting into the 13th Grand Nursery Mela, which is at People's Plaza. By now, most of us will know it's there. The ticket cost is 30 rupees. First day. This is the first day in the evening. It's fantastic. I took an orchid. He told it is 1200 and gave us 750 rupees. Plants were very fresh because it's the first day. Most of these nursery people are from the local, and very few of them are from Darjeeling, West Bengal. They've come from there. We have all sorts of plants. All sorts of plants are there. Bulbs, rhizomes, succulents, succulent saplings are there. Adeniums, huge adeniums, orchids, all variety plants are there. For plants lover, this is really a feast to go there. Medicinal plants are there, herbs are there. It's worth visiting the place and then even doing some shopping and purchasing if you don't have certain plants. But one thing is, there is a stall for epicea. I personally felt it is priced too high. They're charging around 200 rupees per sapling. But online we get it much lesser price, maybe 25 or 30 rupees. Azaleas is too good, but for our weather here at Hyderabad, check whether it's really worth buying, whether we can really take care of it because the temperature varies. It needs a very cool climate. Usually flowers during winter because next we are going to summer season. It may not survive. So when you're buying a bigger plant, think before you buy. Is it really worth buying? Gardenia, which easily we can grow in our environment here at Hyderabad. So I took one Garneria. This is chrysanthemum. Just by pinching, they have made it such huge ball like a bouquet. It's worth gifting for somebody. It is ranging from 300 to that of 2000 rupees. If you're going for some gifting purpose, it's very good. But if you want to take it to your house for a garden purpose, then it's not worth. So from purchase point of view, if it is just for a garden, I say no. I don't recommend it. But now what we see is everywhere you have this chain of glory. This is in Go Greens. It is just costing 10 rupees to 30 rupees. Most of the flowering plants and even ficus plants, it's really good. It's worth taking here. You have fruit bearing plants. It's very expensive, 3000, 2500. You have jackfruit plant with jackfruits, bougainvillea, that is costing 3000 rupees. It's grafted with four or five colors. Bougainvillea, everybody were so excited seeing that. You can see it is full by evening. It's really full. People are thrown from different places. They have come down to People's Plaza to watch, see, and even buy. This is really the many places are having this now. Orchids are also there. It's very expensive. Orchids are very, very expensive. Most of the stalls are having orchids and azaleas because probably because of the flowers we are tempted to buy, but once the flowers are over, the season is over, it may not. And then you have a eatery session there. When you're really tired, you can have something and see after coming home, these are the things, these are the plants that I bought. I bought something like even air plants also. Two air plants I've bought. This is on 26th of Jan. I've been today, that is on Sunday also. Today also I went. I'll post that video also. Please go do visit and purchase few plants. It's really worth.